Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to install Twitter Pixel on Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you want to go ahead and log into your Shopify account where your store is. So after logging in, now we can go ahead and get started with accessing our store. And in this main page, we can see all the options we can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on. And what we can do is go ahead and find right here on the left side screen, this section. What we're going to be using today, guys, is this option right here that says add apps. We're going to click on add apps right here. That's going to open up this new main menu where we can take a look at the most used apps for stores. So what we're going to do is scroll down and find this option right here that says Shopify App Store. So go ahead and open up the Shopify App Store button right here, and it's going to open up the Shopify App Store right here in a new tab. In this new tab, in the main page at the top of the screen, we are going to have a search button and a search use that we're going to go ahead and search Twitter Pixel on. So go ahead and search for Twitter Pixel. So after doing so, guys, you can see this is now going to go ahead and give us this option right here to find all the apps that are related to this, and the option we are using today is Omega Twitter Pixel Conversion. This is an application that use and is built on Shopify that is going to enable you to go ahead and install Twitter Pixel on your Shopify store, so you can use it directly in Shopify admin and works with your theme. So as you can see, all you need to do is just go ahead and click the install button right here. After clicking on install, just follow the steps to go ahead and install it right here by clicking the install button, and after that you're set and you'll be able to access it in your store and get started. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.